So hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me here once again. I am back in my studio for another video. Thank you for joining me. So I'm going to show you the dry painting from my previous video, which I think turned out beautiful. I love the color palette. I am super happy, and I'm going to show you what I've been up to. So this is the tiny mighty one. Check her out. Look how gorgeous that is. Look how the light hits it. Look at that. You see that shine? Beautiful. And you can set it to any orientation. I was testing out the colors and I think it showed up beautifully. They're nice and bright, and they're not so much in your face, yet they still kept the vibrancy, right? So that's beautiful. So I tested out the colors here. I did do a couple of Christmas ornaments that I am working on as well. And I'm going to show you a few of them with the same color palette. So I am going to show you first. Take a look at my Christmas tree. Look how gorgeous that turned out. Isn't she pretty? Look at the details in this tree as it was blown out. Beautiful. Tell me what you think about this. It has no resin on yet, but I love it. I love it. Tell me what you think. The next one I have here is an angel, and check her out. Beautiful. Look how pretty. See that? And my last one is a gingerbread. Check him out. Isn't he cute? I love it. I love it. So those are my ornaments. Today, I'm going to be trying something a little, it's in my head. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we're going to be doing some swipe. And as you know, my canvas will already be pre-flooded. I am using Oxide Black by Amsterdam. My colors, I'm going to get to those as we get down on the table. And I can't wait to see how this one turns out. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so we're at the canvas. My canvas has been flooded. And what I want to do here is I want to use only reds, white, and pearl red. So I want to kind of do a shape of a candy cane. Even though the colors are going to mix, I want to see how it turns out only with one straight blowout, okay, in the direction that I want to go in. So I am going to try that. I don't know how successful I am going to be. And I wanted to use the black background so that my pearl colors could stand out. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to layer my colors down and we'll see how this turns out. So first color I am putting down, I am doing Pearl White by Amsterdam because against the black this will show up. So that's the first color I'm going to be doing here. So let's go ahead and get started. And I want to, let me think about this. If I do 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do like 3 candy canes and we'll see how that turns out. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to be coming at an angle like this. Oh boy. And this one, I'm going to be coming here like this. A little bit down like that. So I'll just do the 2 because I think it's going to be too much and I want to challenge myself, but I don't know how much. So let's see. Let's see what happens here. My next color is Cadmium Red Hue by Winsor and Newton. And again, like I said, these colors are going to be not the typical candy cane look to them, but that's okay. So, just like that. My next color is Titanium White by Amsterdam. So titanium white. Let's see. More like peppermint mix kind of there. My next red is going to be Brilliant Red by Arteza. I love that red. Take a look at that. So, Brilliant Red by Arteza. And I'm wiggling this one on. Okay. My next color is Pearl Red by Amsterdam. I'm following that wiggle because it's going to show up against that red. Okay. And let's see. My last red here, I'm sorry, I'm shaking my bottle. I decided to add one more. It's going to be Festive Red by DecoArt. I haven't used this in a while. So let's see. A little bit of Festive Red by DecoArt. Okay. So those are my colors. I'm going to throw a little more of the cadmium red hue because I really like this shade of red. I want that to be the star of the show. There. Okay. So those are my colors. Let me torch it out. Oh boy, wish me luck here. I don't know what disaster is about to happen here, but we shall see. We will witness together. Let's go ahead, get started. I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to fan from here out. So, let's see. And you know what? I love it. I am super happy with this. Absolutely love it. They're a little chunkier than what I would expect for candy canes, but you know what? I'm okay with that. Yep, I'm okay with that. I'm gonna blow it in here a little bit just to make that curve come down a little more. Let me see here. Just like that. Love it. Love the curve there. And I'm not going to touch that one over there. I love it just the way it is. Maybe over here, this little nub there. Okay. So, definitely love the color palette. Color combo, love it. I am going to tweak it a little more over here, only because I don't want these two to mix here. So let me bring that in a little bit. So just like that. Okay. So I don't want to play around with it anymore. I'm going to leave it. I don't want to get upset at myself if I mess it up. So I am going to bring you guys in for a close-up. We'll be right back. All right, everyone. Look how gorgeous it is. Not the exact candy cane shape, but nonetheless, a beautiful blowout. This is very interesting to me. So I want to keep it. I want to see what it turns into at a later time. But I love this concept and I love the flow that it has. I love that it's different, completely different. So let's take a look here. I apologize for the glare. With the black base, everything, you can see everything. So look at the reaction of the colors here. The different paint brands. Love how those cells are just kind of like developing here underneath the black. Love that. Look at this. That kind of outer space design. Love it. Love the streak here and how it turns into this beautiful. Look at all the reaction here, all the cells. The light, how it shines through that red there, creating some pink. Love it. Look at the clusters here. Like a nebula or something to that effect. Love it. And then look at the second one. So different and so much is going on here. But I am happy with it. It looks like a brain or something. I don't know. Interesting. But yeah, and I love the negative spaces where they came out. Look at that. What do you think about this one? I love it. I would have never thought of a blowout like this, but you know what? I am happy with it. And I think is very interesting. It created a lot of interest and I am happy with it. I'm going to see how it dries. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support ahead of time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.